So okay, so relief features. Okay, what are the contents present in India? So all these can be seen here. And next one is, okay, here equator is there. So equator is exactly passing the downside of India, and India is present in the northern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere means, so we have, so this is Greenwich is there, we can see here Greenwich, and this is equator. Next, so India is present in the east side of the earth. So we have this, this is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Next, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Of course we can tell this as the eastern hemisphere. So okay, so this is about this Indian location. So we'll see that how the latitudes and longitudes are there. Okay, so we'll see that one by one. So see here, next, so India. Okay, okay, see here. So if you see here, so India is located on this place. So where we can see this. So okay, see here. So India is a very extensive country which lies totally in the southern hemisphere. Okay, of course, the southern hemisphere is there. Next, which actually this is the southern hemisphere. This is not the southern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere. So here in the book, printing mistake is there. Just leave that. And see here, the degrees are very important. Okay, the country's mainland, the country's mainland lies between 8 degrees and 50 degrees north latitude and 68 degrees. So if you see, so first south side is 8 degrees. Okay, so here this is totally completely wrong is there. Okay, these lines are different is there. So we'll see in the map properly. So we can see this one in the map. So if you see here, okay, so this is the standard meridian also is there. So we have discussed many times about this standard meridian. Okay, standard meridian means, so based on this standard meridian, so we can see this 82.5 degrees east longitude. So 82.5 degrees east longitude means we are taking the IST. You know that IST, Indian Standard Time. Actually, we have the two time zones are there, local time zones and standard time zones. So standard time zones is there. So we are taking this 82 degrees, 82.5 degrees east longitude as a IST, standard meridian. And what is the difference between the local time and the standard time means, it is in India, it is about nearly 5.5 hours. That means 5:30. 5:30 means that is when compared to this local time. Okay. Next, so we'll discuss this. This is helpful for your public. So just we'll discuss about the textbook first. Okay, textbook is very important. So if you are going on this seeing this textbook means, so just read through the textbook only. So whenever the exams are coming, just they will prefer only textbook. If you are very perfect with the textbook means, so no question will escape from you. Okay, you can attempt all questions. So see here, just we'll see this map. So map of India. Okay, so see here. So here we can see these latitudes and longitudes. Okay, see here. So see here. First, we can see that the east side and west side. So east side is 68 degrees 7 minutes. 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude. So it is passing here. So this is the 68 degrees east longitude. So it was passing here. And from here, if you see here, so it was about 97 degrees 25 minutes. Okay, here 25 minutes is there. So this is the location of the, so here we can see this. Of course, here 96 degrees east longitude is there. but here just after crossing this 96 degrees, here we can see just one more longitude like this. So it is about the, so 97 degrees. So where it was India touching means here. So here India is touching here. So that's why it is called as 97 degrees 25 minutes. Next on the top side. So here this is the longitude is passing. So here we can see the touching of this India. So here which longitude is there, which latitude is there means, so 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. So here we are telling about this latitude. Okay, so here latitude is there, and south side. So south side also is there here. So here we can see this south side. So if you see here in the south side also, so in the south side here we can see this 8 degrees. So here 8 degrees means here. So this is 8 degrees north latitude. From here to here the India is passing like this. So just we are telling that from where India's mainland is starting. And here also we can see this India. So here we can see this Indira Point. So it is called as Indira Point. Okay, so Indira Point. So here we can see this so Indira Point. Okay, next we will see this extension of India. So how much extents is there from north to south? So first from, okay, so just from this place to this place. So if you place the distance from here to here, so what is the distance means, it is about 2933 kilometers. So it is about the 2933 kilometers is there totally. And from north to south side, from from this point to so upper side, we can have this side. So total what is the distance means, it is about 3214 kilometers. So 3400 kilometers. Just remember, so these distance are very important. Okay, very important distance from west to east and from north to south. So very important distance are there. So if you see the textbooks, so these are very important. Okay, next within India, so we can see here one more thing, that is the standard meridian. Okay, 82.5 degrees east. So we have to mention this east, so east longitude. So here is there, and this is called as standard meridian. Okay, next here, if you see the boundaries, so here Bay of Bengal is there, Arabian Sea is there. Next here we can see that Himalayas. Okay, again next the other side Pakistan, this side China. So here we can see this. Okay, these are the important things to locate on the map of India. And remember this here Indira Point. So where this Indira Point is there means, so here, so just to remember Indira Point is very important here. Indira Point is nothing but, so it is the tip of India. So tip point of India. So here we can see here. So in this place we can see that Indira Point. Okay. So this is the northernmost part of India, and here the mainland is starting. Okay, so I hope this was you have understood this one. So 3200 kilometers and standard meridian. Next 68 degrees north, 68 degrees 7 minutes east latitude. So just remember this one, longitude, that is longitude, sorry. And next okay, see here, so that is about this one. And next one we go to the forward. So just we'll move forward. So geographical background of India. Okay, so geographical background of India, here we'll see this. Okay, just stop this. So Coding.